Here we got 1966 427 Chevy Corvette. It looks like it's really well documented and very original. I guess the aluminum radiator is the only thing not original on it. Got all the build sheet on here. Here's the original build sheet. And you got side pipes, nice covers on them, so you won't burn your legs. 5-spoke wheels, more or less like what you find back then. I always like the interiors on here too. It's like my favorite years, 63 to 67. And you know, there's advantages to having a big block and disadvantages. I mean, not trying to say one thing bad or another, but handling is your advantage for your small blocks. But personally, I like the big blocks better because, you know, it's that straight line torque acceleration you got from a low RPM. Like you can make a 327 have a lot of horsepower, but you got to get it up there in the RPM range, and you got to run like 411 gears or something like that. It's more practical running big block and not have it super tuned or, you know, not too much radical, and it's just got the torque. You know, I like these side pipes too because they're well protected from your legs. You gotta watch when you get out of here with shorts on. I mean, with those kind of covers, they look like they're they might be brushed aluminum or something, which is good because you don't have to worry about rust. Rust is my nightmare, man. Yeah, anything you got chrome, you got rust. Stainless steel and brushed aluminum. I don't think they improved the styling on this in 1968. They should have left this another 10 years like these, you know? I mean, maybe, I don't know. Sometimes I like the way, you know, Volkswagen way back when had, I mean, not the Volkswagen itself, but the idea behind it where you get a winning combination. Just keep it going for a good 25 years, man. The hell with it, right? You got something works good, just leave it the hell alone, man. And just keep improving upon it engineering-wise. So.